The overall objective was to expand the horizon of these students. Some of them may have been in many offices, some this may be the first time coming into a corporate setting. Some may not understand what consulting is all about or the different studies in college, how they translate into the business world.
So our purpose was to connect them to this idea that we learn not for school but for life. It's our responsibility to connect our students with the community and with partners so that they are exposed to a variety of career paths that we may not even have named in school. And we saw that opportunity with CRA.
The idea was to give the student experience interning at a major corporation starting the summer after high school graduation and before going to their first year of university.
I knew I wanted to study something economics related. Hearing that it was an economic consulting firm, I just jumped at the opportunity. I've never worked in a corporate office before. Knowing that I wanted to work in a corporate setting reassured me that this is something that I would want to do.
You'll be talking to people that are significantly more knowledgeable than you and more experienced, and they'll be teaching you the reins, how to work through certain problems, how to work through certain issues that you might be having with your project. It's a lot of problem solving and a lot of learning and a lot of talking. And it was just a really, really incredible experience at a corporate place.
By coming into a corporate environment, I have learned that time management is really, really critical, as well as just learning that relationships are very valuable wherever you work. So those are pivotal things that I have learned.
I've been involved with the KIPP Interns for 2 years now. This internship program involved Monday meets with MBDC to help grow their professional branding, and then they did Wednesday lunch and learns with each of the different corporate departments, and then Friday also did LinkedIn learnings to help develop their professional skills and reflections on their experience during the week. And so I just helped facilitate a lot of those different meetings and also encourage them to participate in coffee chats and just also lended any type of support that I could be throughout their time here.
The impact that this internship has on the students really comes out of all of the different trainings and the different opportunities that they have to speak with C-suite people at our company. They're really given an opportunity to work with some incredibly smart people who are incredibly good at their job, and they can really ask a lot of questions and get out of this exactly kind of the energy that they put in.
The most surprising aspect is how collaborative everybody is. The culture here at CRA is welcoming and warm, and it's really relaxing in a sense because everybody here is so skilled and very professional at what they do. There's a lot of trust that goes in, and just being able to just get your work done and trusting what other people are doing.
Coming here to CRA, just talking to people, getting out of my comfort zone is something new I experienced. So going into college, it won't feel as weird as I thought it would be. It would just feel natural, just putting myself out there and branding myself in a positive way.
Something unique about this program was every Friday found out what we wanted to learn about in LinkedIn Learning. One of my supervisors wanted me to do some work with macros, and I didn't really know what that was about. And so I took the time on a Friday to learn what these macros were, and it was something I found personally really interesting.
This internship really shifted my perspective. Now that learning about everyone's paths through those coffee chats, everyone's path has just been so unique. So this has definitely made me more open-minded and curious towards other fields.
I'd say the most fun was definitely the food. First of all, I think it was really nice to try different places in Boston, just being here all the time. And also my coffee chats. I loved learning from so many different people. I got to speak to some interns as well. I got to speak to people in life sciences, even though I was an IT intern. And it was just really nice to hear so many different perspectives.
The KIPP intern program has such a great impact on the firm. It gives us an opportunity to really give back to the community and to the next generation. The KIPP interns come in with such energy, and they also bring fresh perspective to the firm as well.
So for us, it challenges us to make sure we've provided them with a great experience for them to make career choices in that respective field. One of the things that I do with our interns is I will share with them my personal contact here. So this relationship goes beyond their internship here. And networking is so important as they grow in their career. They're part of the CRA team.
I left this internship with a lot of people in my network. I think that while I'm in college studying, whether it's law, business, even math, I can call up my network and have some professional advice on what I should do, what paths they took, and just more help in general.
I think people should apply to this internship because it's really an invaluable experience. You know, not a lot of times a high schooler could say that they talked to the CEO, they had lunch with them, or that they, you know, made a lot of relationships with a lot of people who are just working there. And just being able to, you know how to network and how to really set yourself up and, you know, really create that personal branding was invaluable.
I would 100% recommend this internship program. I've learned so many life lessons here, even beyond the technical things, and I've definitely had a mindset change going into college of what I want to do and where that will take me as well.
It's a game changer. It will change your life. I'm just excited for them. A theme that I've noticed with these students is they've also shown their resilience, and they've shown how nimble they are, and how quick they are to learn and eager to learn, and the energy that they bring to the experience. And that's just very refreshing to see and exciting to see, and admittedly quite satisfying to be a part of that.